In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Klook link. We will walk through the process slowly so you can follow along without pausing every second. Start by opening the Klook app or website. On a phone or tablet, tap the orange Klook icon and wait for the home screen to load. On a computer, type klook.com into your browser and press enter. Then you should see the main Klook homepage with search boxes and destination suggestions. Once Klook is open, find the activity you want to share. You can use the search bar at the top and type the city, attraction, or tour name. You can also scroll through the recommended sections until you see something that matches what you have in mind. Take a moment here because the link you share will point to this exact activity, not a general list. Now open its details page. Tap or click on the activity title or picture one time and wait for it to load fully. You should now see more photos, a full description, available dates, prices, and reviews all on this page. If you still see a grid of many activities, go back and make sure you only tap the single activity you want. Next, click or tap the share icon, usually an arrow or 3 connected dots. On phones, this icon is often near the top right of the activity page, close to the title or just under the main image. On a computer, it can appear near the activity name or along the side of the page. When you tap it, a small menu or a share panel will slide up or appear on your screen. From there, choose how you want to share it, such as copy link, Messenger, WhatsApp, email, or other apps. Klook passes the exact activity address into whatever option you pick. If you pick Messenger or WhatsApp, your chat list will open and you can choose the person or group. If you pick email, your default mail app opens with the link already inside the message body, so you only need to add recipients and any notes. If you selected copy link, paste it wherever you want to share it. On a phone, go into your chat, document, or note app, tap and hold in the text area until the paste option appears, then tap paste and send. On a computer, move to your email, message window, or document. Click into the text box and press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to insert the link. Once you paste it, you will see a long web address or sometimes a rich preview card with the Klook activity name and image. You have now opened Klook, picked an activity, and shared its direct link so someone else can view the exact same page. If this walkthrough helped you share your Klook activity link, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.